So by stretching, I mean this. That'll make the fabric roll. So I'm going to finish cutting this roughly 1 inch strip, which isn't 1 inch at all. And then I'm just going to stretch it. And it's going to roll into a string. And take the string and put a really light knot in it, just to make a loop. Then I'm going to take this and I'm going to measure it. I like to go to the little W part of my ear. So it's about there. It's going to be real exact. Now what I have to do is I want this to be the inside roughly, but if it turns out the other way, it doesn't matter so much. I'm going to do a tie-dye trick called fan folding. So I'm just going to sort of accordion fold this roughly. It can be pretty rough. That's a little too rough. But that's not. So what I want here is to get a packet. This will be the outside. In the packet, I lay my string, fold it over. Now I need a little piece of string. So I need 2 of these little pieces. About this is the size I can work with comfortably. You might want to cut yours a little longer, because this is the hard part. Now you have to tie this big wad as tightly as you can to make up for the fact that we're not sewing. If this is hard for you, you can use string. You have to cut this part off to wash it anyway. So I tie that nice and tight, just in a square knot. That's why some people might find string or rubber bands easier. It's just got to be tight enough to hold that. Go to the other end, restack the fan folds. This is important. Make sure that the string now makes a circle, or you'll get half of it backwards. Pull all my layers nice and even. Fold it over. Pin the string in there. Now you don't want to take these too deep because you still want this to fit between your ears. You might have to take it apart a couple times to adjust the width because everyone's face shape is a little different. From my research, this will prevent stop about 50%. The virus is half the size of COVID-19. I didn't do the research, I merely read a paper. Okay, so we're kind of done at this point. And I'll take my current one off, put this one on to demonstrate. So the front is the yucky part. Find the string, put it over your head, and pull it up so that the yucky part is on the sides of your face. So I have this string going down behind my hair. I have the same problem with N95s, because I've worn them for tie-dyeing, in that the only way I can make them stay on top of my head is a ponytail. So I want to get this kind of snugged up on my face. And then reach here, kind of spread it out. I want to roll any excess under to get a good, nice, tight seal on my face. And there I go.